Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for a brand new video. My friend Harriet, you guys probably have seen her before because she's been in quite a few of my videos. She has never been to Ikea. I've just discovered this. We were like, what do we do today? I was like, yeah, let's go have a fun day. It's a big like retail park, is that what they're called? In Knots that has like Ikea, a massive M&S food hall, TK Maxx, Home Sense, that kind of vibe. And I was like, do you know what, let's go. There's got a Nando's there as well. So I was like, let's get Nando's for lunch and do something. And then she was like, yeah, I've never been to Ikea before. I'm like, how have you never been to Ikea? You're gonna come with us today. You're gonna come on Harriet's first time to Ikea. I genuinely can't believe that she's never been. I really hope that she's not underwhelmed. It's basically another like, come shop with me, come to Ikea. I haven't been to Ikea in ages, so I'm actually really excited. And as usual, this is kind of like a little day in my life vlog. Like I'm bringing you along with my whole day. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, let's just get into it. Why can I never wake up with like cute morning hair? My hair always just looks in an absolute freaking state. How cute are my pajamas, by the way? They're from Boohoo. Oh my God, I literally look like Hagrid right now, but good morning, how are we all? So today's Friday. I've got that Friday feeling. I don't have uni today, had a presentation yesterday. Just feeling good, although I say right, I'm feeling good mentally. Physically, I'm coming down with a cold again. Like this flu season is real. My nose is really bunged up and literally so snotty, it's gross. I'm sorry. I think it's like 9 o'clock. I've done some bits on my phone this morning, like sent some stuff off to brands, but I'm gonna get ready. I need to have a productive morning because obviously, as you guys would have seen by the intro, me and Harriet are going on a little shopping day today, so I thought I'd bring you guys along. Of course, I'm making myself a cup of tea. I feel like now, because the weather's been getting colder, I genuinely have been having like 3 or 4 teas a day. I'm sorry, tell me that doesn't look like the most perfect cup of tea. I'm gonna get ready. I wanna have like a chill get ready, just do my full face of glam, curl my hair. So yeah, I'll be back. Hair and makeup is officially done. I need to film a little TikTok get ready with me because a brand called, I think it's, I don't know how you pronounce it, Creo Studios, I'll pop it on the screen, sent me out the sickest tracksuit. I haven't even had a chance to properly open it yet because it's in this box and I'm so excited because it looks unreal. So I'll show you guys when I've tried it on. Also, my new lip routine is Morphe Sweetheart with the Made by Mitchell Milkshake For Me Beam Gloss in the center. How insane. I much prefer it because it means, you know, when sometimes I used to put concealer on my lips, I don't need to do that anymore because now I've got this. I'm all ready to go to Ikea. The brand that I was saying I tried the tracksuit on for, they very kindly actually sent me this t-shirt as well. So I ended up doing 2 TikToks, but this was the one I'd done last time. Like, I might just keep this outfit on. How sick. But also the tracksuit is insane. So here are the tracksuit bottoms. It's just got this little print detail on here. I am genuinely, I can't even explain the quality. And they're like a wide leg as well. They're so sick. And here is the hoodie. It is the thickest, most comfiest thing ever. And it has the most insane, like thick hood. It's probably the bougiest tracksuit I've ever owned. And then it has this detail on the back. I'm gonna link it down below because you guys need to go and check them out because they're just so cool. And the t-shirt, I'm vibing. It does also have print detail on the back. Also, I did actually go to Primark again yesterday and I bought some bits because basically it is literally so cold in this uni house. I was like, I need pajamas. I don't even usually wear pajamas. I'm like a no pajama girl. I didn't have any. So I was like, okay, let's go to Primark. Let's get some cute ones. So first up, I got these little grey, like wide leg pajama bottoms. I'm obsessed with my satin ones. These ones are obviously not satin, but I thought these were so cute. And they're a wide leg. I mean, I have wide leg everything. So of course I need wide leg pajama bottoms. I don't even think I need to say anything about this. I literally saw it and was like, that is the most prettiest freaking pajama top I've ever seen in my life. And I love it. It's like a nude with the lace. I got this in an extra small. This was only £5 and it's like in a really nice rim material. It's kind of giving Zara vibes, I'm not gonna lie. I managed to get my hands on the pajamas that everyone has been going on about, the like velvety soft touch ones, which I don't know how I managed to get these, I'm not gonna lie, because these usually obviously meant to come together in like a pack, but they came completely separate. They were like chucked and obviously been opened and they were in my size, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get them. They're in a wide leg and they're so freaking soft. Harriet got them in grey and she was like, they're the comfiest things ever. I haven't actually had a chance to like wear them yet. And then it also comes with a little matching kind of button-up shirt. And then I also got some fluffy socks because of how cold it's been. My feet have genuinely been going numb. So I've got these ones. These have got little bears on. How cute. It was another lucky day yesterday because there was only 2 of the Primark foundation sticks in the shade Chai left, and Harriet was like, I really want to try it. Managed to find it and then I found another one. I usually use this for my cream contour. Like I've used it today. It's just the best. But yeah, Harriet's just getting her nails done. I'm waiting for her to finish and then we're gonna go. So we've finally made it. Nearly made it alive. Harriet's driving is questionable.
I did quite
no,
well,
that was a smooth journey. That was a smooth journey.
Wrong.
We're gonna go for Nando's first. Nando's is there. And then we're gonna go to Ikea. I can't believe you've never been. Her dad said that she'd been when she was 2.
Yeah, my dad was like, you have been. We went when we was in Leeds. I was like, what do you mean? He was like, yeah, you were 2. I was like, Dad.
I'm not going to remember that.
2?
Nando's have just got their festive specials out. So I've got thingy maple and orange dressing, and then also the macho sprouts and The butterfly burger sounds insane. I've never had this before. I've literally got a whole new Nando's order today. Food has arrived. I'm sorry, this looks insane. What's yours about? Did you not get two sides?
It's pretty beige.
Did you not get two sides?
I don't know why. I panicked.
This actually looks like the most insane Nando's I've ever had. Might have to get a picture of it, you know. Try the Brussels first. Do you like Brussels sprouts or no?
Love it. Only the gravy.
Wow. Very seasoned.
That's really giving me roast dinner.
Brussels sprouts do give roast dinner energy. Wow.
You should have some gravy and some
Tell you what, gravy would actually be really good with that. Eating a burger stresses me out, especially when it's on video. How big that bit of chicken is. That is the biggest burger I've ever seen. That sauce is pang. First moment of shock, she didn't even see that whole building over there. She just saw that part. Do you know what would be really cute in that? Like cotton pads.
Oh my god, I could put my cucumbers in that.
That's £1.50.
And then you stack them in your fridge.
Oh my god, yeah, that does look really aesthetic. We're not even in the fucking kids section yet. Look at that. Wow. Oh my god, it's got a zip. Fuck off. That vase is so cute.
It's vase.
Right, that vase is actually so cute. Do you fancy a cheeky cocktail in Ikea? They look proper legit. Is it with all of the fake food and drinks?
It really adds to the mood. Why is everything going sharp?
In here, I want a bit of that chocolate.
It's a bit of you.
Mango smoothie, yes,
Yeah.
but they've really gone the extra mile to decorate. I've never seen Ikea be like this before. Or is that a Christmas cake? Oh, that's me and you making brownies the other day. No. Just done a thumbnail. Honestly, I genuinely feel like I've taken a kid to a candy store. Because that is exactly what you're like.
I'm picking up everything.
She is picking up
Wait,
everything. Oh my god, it's a teapot.
It's a flask.
Wow, that's amazing.
Anyone for a
She
break?
even just fucking picked this up. Going on a camping trip, bruv. In the candy store has been confirmed by the companion in our trolley.
I couldn't say no.
I really love this blanket. Also got some wine glasses, some more hangers, and also this candle. Wow.
It's a nice
They're
sound,
really,
isn't it?
they're really like, they're quite heavy.
Yeah, I'm going to stop touching it.
That's quite a bougie sand timer. Literally just scared the life out of me. Do it again. You're so rude. It's the tiniest candle I've ever seen. They've really disappointed me with the candle scents.
Smell that.
Yeah, I can smell it right now. Is it the raspberries? Something smells insane.
I don't know if it is that.
Something smells so good. Ooh, lemon. I think it's a mix because this one, smell that. And then smell the lemon.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, I really like that one.
That's hot. No breakages. That wasn't even me that time.
Shit. It's this. Have you smelt this?
No.
It's that.
That's disgusting. It's
It is
not
that,
that.
it is
That's
that.
olives. That's an olive candle, mate.
That's pumpkin. Ew. I think it's the original one I picked up ages ago.
I think you're right.
It is that. Call it a cactus or a cacti?
Well, it's cacti, isn't it?
Is it cacti? Well, she's done a pink one.
You know a dice?
Yeah.
One is called a die.
No, it's not.
It is. Facts.
That's so random. How do you know that?
Smart, innit?
In it, fam. I don't know why you look at this section like you can look after a single plant.
It's giving me jungle and I'm enjoying it.
He's literally twisted a plastic spray bottle. What do you do? Oi, no, that would be so good for putting rose water in to do your hair.
That's what I mean. I had it in my hand. I thought, what is this good for? It's good for. I couldn't
Oh my god,
think
you know when
what.
you put rose water in and spray your hair?
Yeah, I didn't know what it was good for.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm getting one. How cute there. That reminds me of a hairbrush, that one. That reminds me of my hairbrush.
Yeah.
And to the other side of the retail park. Now time to go in TK Maxx. I'm going to spend money that I do not have. We're in M&S. Some desserts are being purchased. That pizza looks insane. Sorry, this lighting's probably really bad, but I've just got back. I actually had a yum nut from M&S and also some baklava. I literally had baklava when I was in Turkey and it's insane. I thought I would do a little haul of like the things I picked up. I really didn't pick up much, and then I'm realising as I said that I did actually get some bits for Shannon Mooney for our Christmas gift swap. I don't even know if I should be telling you this, but get ready because the Christmas gift swap for me and Shannon this year is going to be insane. I feel like some of you probably have already guessed that we're going to do it, but we are so excited. I'm a little bit stressed about it. Like, I know what I'm going to get her. I don't know about her like mainer present. I'm genuinely clueless about her main present. So I got the hangers and then I got the wine glasses that I showed you guys that were downstairs. Also got some extension leads because I have a bedside lamp like on my table, but I don't have any plugs to put it in, so I'm gonna, is this really excessive? I'm gonna extension lead to an extension lead to an extension lead, because I also don't have a plug with like next to my bed either, so that's why I've got these. I also picked up a scalp massager from TK Maxx because I use Betty's in the shower, but like when I'm at home, I'm like, I'm gonna need one of these. This was £7.99, there was a few, but this one's like more waterproof. This one just looked a little bit bougie. Honestly, when I wash my hair, I literally stand in the shower just massaging my scalp for ages. It's meant to be really, really good for your hair. Oh my god, it's a vibrating one. One sec, I need to go and try and find some batteries. I am unbelievably excited right now. I didn't even know it done this, guys. It fully vibrates. Do you know how nice that's gonna be? Oh my god. And because of this whole like silicone casing, it is waterproof. So I was like, hang on a minute, if it's got a battery in it, like how is it waterproof? But this kind of like silicone thing that goes on top stops the water from getting in. I am so happy with that. Thank you, TK Maxx. It was literally £7.99. £7.99 to have that relaxing on my head. Wow. And then I've just got this candle. I think this is like coconut and vanilla. Cold and flu tablets needed. Also bought this because I want to get that. Is it called rose oil for your hair? And then spray it on with this. Great purchase in the garden section of Ikea. The other bits are for Shan, so Shan, if you're watching this, you're not getting a sneak peek to anything I've got you. So I'm thinking of doing like a little weekend vlog of like, I'm going out tonight, we can spend a hungover Saturday together tomorrow, and my new bedding has just come, and I've got some like new bed stuff from Amazon. I really wanted to show you guys, so I thought tomorrow we could have a cute little, it's gonna be like a really Sunday Saturday. This is my outfit for tonight. If you watched my Solado haul, then you probably would have seen this. The room is so messy, but like I say, the top is Solado, bottoms are Solado. I've just got my black trainers on. And yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go out. We are seeing Ewan McIver tonight, by the way, or is it called Ewan McVicker? I don't really know. He's the guy that does Tell Me Something Good. I'm not even gonna try and sing it because you all know that my singing is awful. Good morning. When I say morning, oh my god, it's nearly the afternoon. It's 11:30. We didn't get in until like 3 o'clock. I have been awake since like 9, but I've just been like lying in bed chilling. I was like, do you know what? Let's just chill for the morning, because I've been up and out for like before 9 AM every single day this week. To be honest, I am definitely, my like flu cold symptoms are actually in full swing right now. Going out last night definitely didn't help that. Let's get ready to film tomorrow's video, and I also want to try and like do a cute like slick back hair moment. I don't think it's going to be cute, but we can try. I'm going to film that, and then I actually just want to like deep clean my room and have a really nice like fresh clean room for just Sunday, to have a really nice like chilled Sunday tomorrow. Hopefully we can go on a walk or something. Egghead Shan has officially entered the room. Just filmed a little TikTok tutorial doing this, but I haven't even like properly watched it back yet, so it's probably shit, so it may not go up. I'm going to film a little boohoo haul. I've got some sick pieces, so make sure to go check out if you haven't already, including this top, which is also from Boohoo. Well, actually it is Boohoo Man, but I mean, how sick. I'm gonna film that haul now, and then it really is time to deep clean my room. It is really messy, but a lot of it is like boxes and cardboard and stuff that needs to go in the bin, so I feel like once I clear all that out, it will be less messy. Well, I hope anyway. It's Sunday. Don't ask me what I done yesterday. The hangover really caught up with me. Like, I was having a productive day filming like my Boohoo haul and stuff, and then after that I fully just crashed. But it's Sunday and we're going for a little Sunday walk. Been a little bit of progress in the bedroom department. Like, I've organised all of my trousers and refolded them all, and I've done the same for my tops. I just haven't done my bed setup yet. My bed's looking kind of ugly at the moment. I need to like sort it out and put my new duvet on. That's my task for today, but I'll show you guys my outfit. On this little black gym top with leggings, got my Uggs on, got this big coat that I got from Boohoo with my black scarf, and my little cat that doesn't really go, but I just thought it looked cute. Oh, look at my new little bed setup. I'm actually obsessed. The bedding, the pink fluffy pillows, and also the faux are all from Amazon. I'll link it all down below, but how cute. I kind of want to change the colour of this pillow though. You can hear my voice, I've got a really bad cold, but look how cute. So I'm just literally filming, but look how cute my new little Pampers is. Again, it's from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. It was literally less than £10. I'm literally out of breath. You know when you've got a cold and you're like out of breath? My room's actually looking a lot cleaner than what it was. It's only taken me 3 days to freaking do it. We'll ignore down that side. That side's like washing, filming bits, parcels, etc, etc, but you can't really see it. And then I actually reorganised this, believe it or not, but you know, you just got so much stuff. And also I just had these. I kind of had these for breakfast, which is actually really bad for me, but I got them from B&M yesterday and they are so good. The world's worst vlogger award officially goes to me. Don't ask me what I've been doing. I feel like I've been really in my head this weekend, like just thinking about life, to the point where I'd go out and do stuff, and then when I was on the walk I'd just be thinking about stuff, and then I'd forget to vlog while I was on the walk, and I've literally done that the whole weekend. That's why I haven't vlogged that much, because I've either been really busy filming content or really busy just being in my field. I'm definitely PMSing, like I'm definitely coming on my period. But I had uni today and I'm really stressed out, so that's great. Cheers to that. I've always got the flu. It started coming on like a few days ago, and today it's hit me in full force. And yesterday I done a legs, funs and tums class, and I kid you not, it was an hour legs, funs and tums, and I physically cannot walk today. I've got like a cold, and I can't even cough because it hurts my stomach to cough. You honestly should have seen me hobbling around uni, like my legs are not okay. But yeah, I just wanted to come on, update you, give you the real update of basically I've just been feeling like shit. Yeah, I've been really going through my emotions this weekend. Your gal's been on her feels. I feel like I've been like, you know, when you're like it's 50-50 switching moods, like 1 minute absolutely fine, next minute I'm like, okay, yeah, not okay. Obviously still dealing with the breakup and stuff, which I feel like it's been a little bit harder for me. Like I had a really busy few weeks when it happened, so I didn't really have a chance to probably think about it, and now I've been thinking about it more and I'm like, okay, it's really hit me now, so we love that. I wanted to give you guys like a realistic update to why I've been a shit vlogger this weekend. I actually don't even know what I filmed or what's even in this vlog because my head's just been all over the place, but I mean, I hope it's okay. I've literally got 2 drinks right now because I can't decide what one I've had. I've got like a tea to soothe me. Is anyone else got this flu? Because it is just not cute. Like, I'm not feeling cute. I went to Zara today though, retail therapy and that. Let me show you what I got. Watch me try and get up because it's actually not okay. Oh, I literally feel like an old person that can't walk. Oh yeah, we love Zara. I saw this really cute top and I was like, oh my god, I need to get it. How cute is this? I thought it just looked really, really flattering and the material feels so nice. It was only $15.99 as well, and it's like a proper cute little winter top. It feels unreal, and I love that it's ruched but it doesn't have any string to it. Also, as you all know, Black Friday's coming up, so make sure you stay tuned on my socials because I have so much like Black Friday deals and offers for you guys. But because of that, your gal, I'm a little bit stressed, especially because I've got a uni deadline next week. So yeah, I don't want to talk about that too much, but it really does affect with my YouTube filming, which I'm really upset about. I'm really annoyed about because I've been a consistent queen Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. Have you all noticed that? Have you noticed I've been a consistent queen? But that does mean that this week and probably next week, hopefully not the week after, like I'm hoping to get myself back on track, but definitely this week and next week my upload days are going to be Wednesday and Sunday, just until I get myself back on track. I do have some exciting things coming up towards like the end of November and December, which I'm hoping that I can vlog more. Yeah, I hope you all don't mind, hope you all stick with me. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a mini little life update of where I'm at in my life right now. But I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, or what is of this video. Like, I genuinely don't know what I filmed. But if you did enjoy, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, I will see you all on Sunday for a brand new video.